Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures.
Timo builds a small shelter using branches, leaves, and rope. Some parts of the structure feel loose and uneven. He knows the shelter must be strong enough to last through the night. A new word becomes important: exacting. Exacting means requiring great care, precision, and effort. Timo adjusts each branch carefully, making sure it fits perfectly. He tightens every knot and checks each connection. He takes his time to make sure nothing is weak or unstable. The shelter now stands firm and secure. Timo remembers that exacting work requires careful attention and effort, and doing things properly helps him build things that last on his journeys ahead.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.